think I might give you a little something different than what you've seen tonight. Are you ready?
Yeah.
I don't hear you. Are you ready?
Yay!
Hold on to your shoes. Oh, misty eye of the mountain, blow. Keep careful watch of my brother's soul. Keep him as cool as the river. Keep me safe as the storm approach. Let it go, moving slow, kicking on, centerfold. Keep on going until I hear that kick back the quick staff. The difference is I don't hear that click clack. All I hear is chit chat. I'm moving through the competition like a Kit Kat. Everybody want the money but don't risk that. Everybody making all these motions, all these coachings, but ain't no risk that. Cause I'm moving when I level up. Cause I'm moving till I get it stuck. Cause I'm moving, keep on moving till I make it like a explosion. I'ma keep it till I get it up. I'm just saying that it ain't that funny when I make this hum, when I make this sing, when I make this cling, when I make this thing, when I make this money. Cause I just think it's funny that everybody who's wrong just make this funny, but everybody just wanna move it, their money. But the difference is they cannot make this money. They're broke and I hope that they choke it. Cause the difference is I hope and emotion. Cause every time I flow, cause I know that I blow, cause I keep on I swim through the ocean, I causing commotion. I keep when I move, cause I'm smoother than lotion. You think that you hotter than not in the ocean. You think that you hop on when you go speak, you will make that commotion. But you move that cunny. Everybody want to cool that stunny. Everybody got a little bit of cake with a little bit of hate, they move that money. I'm just saying it's a bit funny. Now, it's a bit funny, cause I'm not laughing, but y'all